Okay, so I'm doing lesson 5.1, question 3. The first question says x plus 3 and x plus 5. So it asks us to use the distributive property to find each binomial product. So I've written out the question. And the first thing we're going to do is FOIL. So first I do x. There, I wrote out what I had to do. First I did x times x, then x times 5, then 3 times x, and 3 times 5. So I'm just going to write that out. Okay, so I wrote out what I had to FOIL. So then this becomes x squared plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. Okay, so I could simplify this even further by adding 5x and 3x. So this becomes x squared plus 8x plus 15. So that's question 3a. Okay, so I thought it would be easier writing out the equation and foiling it because that takes a really long time, and the pad that I'm using isn't that great. So I think this will save at least like 5 or 6 hours from this lesson. So the next question is x plus 3 and x plus 4. So first I foiled that. So then I have x times x plus x times 4 plus 3x plus 3 times 4. So that becomes x squared. Oh god. So that becomes x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. And then we could simplify this further by making this x squared, then adding these two plus 7x plus 12. And that's b. All the questions are a lot like this, so they'll be pretty tedious watching all this. But need those notes. Okay. All right. Question C. So more of the same thing. Sorry about my writing. It's really messy, but the question is y plus 2 and y plus 4. So all these questions we're going to be foiling. So it's first I did y times y, and then y times 4, and then I did 2 times y, and then 2 times 4. So that's what I have here. So this becomes y squared plus 4y plus 2y plus 8. And then from here we could simplify this even more again by making this y squared, then adding these two, making it 6y plus 8. There we go. So the recording thing disappeared on me. Oh god. There you go. Back to here. Okay, so this is D. So it's R plus 4 and R plus 2. So foiled this, and it's r times r plus r times 2 plus 4 times r plus 4 times 2. So more of the same stuff. They're switching some of the numbers and letters around. So this is going to become r squared plus 2r plus 4r plus 8. So then I could simplify this again, combining these two by adding them. So it'll become r squared plus 6r plus 8. And that's our final answer. Okay, we're halfway there. So in E, it's n plus 7 and n plus 1. So what I did was I foiled this again. So it's n times n plus n times 1 plus 7 times n plus 7 times 1. So then we simplify this. So it becomes and 7 times 1 is 7. So n squared plus 1n plus, sorry about that, 7n plus 7. So then this becomes n squared plus 8n plus 7. That's easy. Easy, easy, easy. F! So F is p plus 9 and p plus 9. So this could also be written as, let me give you a fancy color again. Let me go blue. So this could be written as p plus 9 brackets squared. It's the same thing because they're both the same. So then I foiled this because this was expanded, and then I expanded it further by foiling it. And then we're going to simplify. We're doing p squared plus, this becomes 9p, and plus 9p, and then plus 81. And we could simplify this again by making it p squared plus 18p plus 81. Yay! My face is fancy. Okay. Okay, using those fancy colors is a little too advanced for me, so I'm going back to the old-fashioned black. And it's a bit easier to read as well. So G, almost done. So it's W plus 7 and W plus 8. So like usual, we foil this, and then we expand by doing this, and then I'm going to simplify this. So it's W squared plus 8W plus 7W plus 56. So then we can simplify this again. So it becomes W squared plus 15 dub plus 56. And that is our final answer. More fancy shapes. Yeah. Nice. Okay, H, or as the French like to call it, Ash. Okay, D plus 3, D plus 11, and then we got our spoiled version right here, which is D times D plus D times 11 plus 3D plus 3 times 11. So, simplify that. D squared plus 11D plus 3D plus 33. And then we got our simplified form of that. Becomes D squared plus 14D plus 33. Yay. Yay. Small face. And we're out.